Okay, now to mill the hex on. And what I think I'm going to do is use a man roll. I think I'll use a man roll and a shoulder screw stripper bolt and a man roll. Actually, I think I'll put it on the other way. Put it on this way. That. And I think that'll work. And we'll put it in a and collet, 1-inch collet. And here. Should work. Put that in here. Take that up. You know, I could use my spinner too. Easier. This will work. Here. I think I'll set a stop on that. Oh, it's all gets in there. Here. That way I can just butt up against that back side of that. Now wrench to tighten up the shoulder screw. Against. And I'll use a small end mill. Something around 1/4 inch or 5/16. Probably 1/4 inch. Let's see if I can find one. I have 5/32 here. This will work. down, and we want to leave about 50 to 80 thou shoulder there. So I'm going to get the other camera and set it here, pointing down. We'll see if we can get some footage with this camera over here. Let's see if I can figure out a way of setting it here. And we'll turn that on. We'll see what kind of footage we get with this. Hopefully the battery ain't dead. Alright, let's start it. It's recording. It's recording. So, now, a little end mill, I'm going to bring this spindle down a little bit. Bigger end mills, I like to keep it up as far as I can. And break this up. I can see here this camera is not really picking up a whole lot. Trying to finagle this around. Might turn that light out too. It's just a little too bright shining on there. Let's turn that out once and see. Weird how it flickers afterwards. Maybe turn this one on. Trying to get on the side where the camera is at, that way you can, hopefully you can see a little bit better. Alright, come down, lock that. Yeah, I want to leave about $50 to $80,000. We are at 160 now. So I'm going to type 160 in my readout. Did that wrong. Okay. I go through this every time I want to set up. Alright. What am I doing wrong? X. The moment I hit the minus, it doesn't work because, oh, duh, you hit this down here, not the calculating. That's what I was doing wrong. So let's crank it over here because I moved it around. Come in here and take another cut. So I can see where I'm at. We are at 135 now. So X minus 0.135. Enter. All right, now we want to go to 50 to 80, so we'll go halfway between. So that's 30, 15, 65. Let's take the happy medium. All right, here we go. And we'll move the side opposite so I can see where we're at depth-wise. And I want to end up with around, well, I want to end up with an even number anyway. Let's measure across there. What we have right now is 940. So we want to take 190 off. That would give us a 3/4. Actually, not 190. 95 thou. So let's crank this up 95 thou. $95. I got to be careful when I go across there, so I don't take it out and spin it. Don't want to push it real hard. And go 180 from that. Just make sure that's where I'm at. All right. Three-quarter. I'm going to grab a three-quarter wrench just to make sure. You know that a lot of times three-quarter wrenches will be a little bit over. If I can find one. Wrench is kind of overkill for this, but I should probably go to a smaller wrench. But yeah, that fits on there nice. Well, let's just go ahead and do this one all the way around, and we'll see what it looks like. So we're like that. So we're going to go up one. Could take it down to a 5/8 wrench or a 9/16. We'll see what this looks like. One's done. Alright, let's see what that looks like. I think that'll work. I'm going to leave it like that. So, take this out and put the other one in. I'll have to deburr it. Yeah, I don't think that looks too bad. I'll give it a shot of air and turn it in once. Turn it in. I'll buff it up and deburr it real good. Come on. There we go. Beautiful. That'll work. Alright. Next. The next one. Same thing. Take it out. I'm going to run the file over the back edge of this. Actually, I wouldn't really need a washer on this one, but I'll put it in there anyway. I have to, because I'm going to back this one off a little bit too, because this one here is a little bit, I think it's a little bit longer. I kind of messed up when I was facing it off. Okay, so I'm gonna back it out a ways, turn it up to 100 here, and we'll see where we're at. We are at 170. Oh, X minus 0.170. Enter. So we're going to turn it back 100 thou again. We're going to leave it at 70. 75. What's going on over there? I might have to make this one 2 cuts. That shoulder is a little wider on this one. Like I said, I kind of messed up when I was facing the end off on the other one. Yeah, I'm going to have to take this one in 2 cuts. And then I'm going to zero it. Zero it, and zero it. One more after this one. Then all that's left is put the bushings in. And these parts will be done. Well, and I got to cut a gasket too. That's no biggie. I'm going to put a Teflon gasket in it. There we go. Done. Alright, take that off of there. And there we go. And I'll just make I'm going to put a bushing in there because the displacer rod will be an 1/8 inch, so it'll be riding on a brass bushing in there. So that's all that's left for this part, and then this part of the operation will be done. Just like that. I'll get it on the other camera. It'll focus on it, yeah. No. So, it's nice. I ended up with some pretty nice threads, if I do say so myself. They're not a standard thread for anything, but they're snug and they turn in there nice. So, ta-da! So anyway, when I come back, I don't want to make this bushings until I get the displacer rod. So I'll probably make the little displacer plug that goes inside the displacer tube. So basically it's a plug that goes inside here with a couple O-rings on it, and it'll have an 1/8 inch rod press fit into that. That'll go through the bushing in this, and the other end will be attached to a flywheel. Maybe I should work on those first, because that way I'll know exactly the length that I need. Although I do know, according to the CAD, what length I need. That camera stopped over there. But I was saying make the displacer, but I'm going to go ahead and make the flywheel, and then the two crank discs. That's what I'm working on next, the crank disc. So when I come back, we'll be working on that. So until then, catch you later.